Welcome back to Mumford Restoration. We're showing you things that we're working on. But first, go to our website, mumfordrestoration.com, or to our YouTube channel and check out what you could have restored. We end up with such odd things. And here is the church sign. So you may have seen some of the before photos of what a wreck this sign was in when we received it. And it took many months for us to try to restore this. We started to realize that all of this metal flashing, copper and brass flashing, was wrapped intricately around a wood frame. And each of those pieces of wood were becoming rotten. And some of them were literally at the point where they were so soft you could push it with a knife and the knife would push in. So we committed to rebuild the whole sign, take all the sheet metal off, but what we didn't realize is that the intricacy of the pattern of each of these, where the sheet metal was wrapped around each piece, required a lot of extra detail to try to fabricate all the pieces of wood and then have the flashing and each of the pieces fit around it perfectly. So this took so much longer than we had anticipated. So we've changed out all the wood behind the door, the whole frame of the piece, the whole base plate, and the whole crown was rebuilt. And then all of the structural pieces that are in the back and behind. We've added LED lights in the sides. You can see that this is the sliding rack to put all the letters and the numbers on for the church. And we're thinking that this sign was, the turn of the century. It's mounted on 2 poles. And you can see that we have a new wire here for all the lights inside. We've got some water drainage system and we've got all new back. And so we are, very proud now that we can show them what it looks like, but we are not proud of how long it took. It was a disaster for how long. We had to refabricate each of the pieces. Then we realized, well, this fits a different way. Let's start over again. And this crown doesn't fit right. And boy, it took. But the thing that we always do, and we've done for 40 years, is stay committed to getting it done. So now I'm very proud. So now we're going to be grateful when they come and take it and mount it and send us a picture. Hallelujah, it's going back to the church. Thanks for watching.